Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the FurArt Credit Card Wallet and 3 things you need to know about it. Thing to know number 1, this has RFID blocking technology in it. That is very important because with more and more credit cards having the little RFID tag, which it looks like the little Wi-Fi symbol, that means all somebody has to do is get reasonably close to you with the kind of equipment that can pick that up, and they can start getting your credit card information. This makes it, I'm not going to say impossible, but very, very difficult. So that's, something to consider about. Thing to know number 2, it has 15 slots in it. Now, if you're going to store cash in it, you can store that on the outer 2 sides, and that still leaves you 13 slots for credit cards, credit card tools. There's, you can use this for more than one thing. Thing to know number 3, this is a zippered enclosure, so there's less chance of things falling out. Of course, that means you got to remember to zipper it, and I've been guilty of that myself, that I thought I had it done and I didn't. So take a look at this one. I think you're going to find something very useful, especially if you want to use this as a tool wallet for all those different credit card tools that are out there. So take a look at it and think about getting one today.